It is so easy to overlook these little ones, but wherever you can find the golden chanterelles and the black trumpets, chances are these are somewhere in the shadows close by, too little to draw attention to themselves. But if you collect enough of them, their taste can be very rewarding. I was finding and filming these here in mid-June, although you can find them in hardwood forest in the summer through fall, June through October, and not just in deciduous forest, they love mixed and broadleaf conifer forests as well. Cinnabar Reds, these Cinnabar Chanterelles, or scientific name Cantharellus cinnabarinus, can be found in eastern North America. But I am very curious how far west they can grow. Have you ever found any of these in your area? And what state are you in? Thank you. You can find them scattered or in small groups, and you can help to ID them by their distinctive flamingo pink to bright orange and red color. The color is being imparted by the carotenoid canthaxanthin, and if you haven't seen my Roseate spoonbill video, in it we explain how they and flamingos get their color, and it's also by the carotenoid canthaxanthin, and to give you a clue, it's in what they are eating. And just like the golden chanterelles, these cinnabars also have false gills underneath the cap. They look forked and wrinkled, but they can be rubbed off very easily, and they're going to be all white on the inside. These fruit bodies can grow up to 2 3/4 inches across, or that's 7 centimeters if you find a really nice fully grown one. But don't be surprised when you come across them, and they're generally much smaller and slender than that, and growing in their different stages. They prefer, and you're going to have chances of finding them in areas that are saturated. I'm in an old riverbank right here, so no wonder why we're finding them. And if you're preparing to go look for them, just keep in mind where the soggiest spots in the little creeks might be, and head there. Well, here's one late season, solo, in a bed of moss. The sun is getting to this one a little bit too much and drying it out, and it's losing color before getting to its prime. Here's some that decided to start growing out on the side of a gravel driveway. They're so small, you always have to keep your eyes peeled. And unfortunately, these are already drying out and probably not even going to make it to adulthood for us. In conclusion, you should have luck finding these wherever you would be finding chanterelles in general, but I would look into more mossy areas and in the shadows of fallen trees and logs and in moist environments. And because they're so small, you're going to want to get as many as you can. And the good news is when you wash them to clean them, the water is really going to help to expand them more. And although these weren't all totally fully grown when I picked these, all these forkfuls still tasted amazing and will only leave you wanting more. Well, thank you for watching, and now that you know how to ID them and where to find them, I wish you all the success in your searches, and I hope to hear back from you that you were able to find some. Happy hunting, and I'll see you in the woods.